Hi everybody, this is Sharon. I am gonna cover over another ugly dry painting, okay? So I'm just going to lay some paint across the canvas. Let me shake this real quick. This is kind of a tan color that I mixed up myself. Don't ask me how I did it because I honestly don't remember. Clean that end off a little bit. So I'm just we're gonna do something a little different color-wise here. Let's see here. La 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 la. Let's throw in a little white. And of course, I forgot to get fresh paper towels. So I hope y'all been having a good Sunday. I've been busy varnishing. Lots of varnishing. I gotta offload some of these paintings. Oh no, I'm almost out of gloves. God. Somebody needs to remind me to order gloves. Like, good heavens, why can't I remember to order them? I need to get on eBay or something and see if I can find some medical gloves, because these are the best. And I have a hard time finding gloves that fit me because I have really small hands. Okay, so I'm going to do that balloon smash thing again and cover this ugly thing up. So let me zoom you in a little bit so you can see. So I'm just gonna smush it and smash it. I think I put too much paint on it this time. Yeah, let me wipe some of this off. Yeah, let me get my sides. Ooh, running all over the place. Yeah, we got a little too much paint. Too much paint. Yikes. But I just want y'all to see that this can be done super quick and you can still get a really nice looking painting out of this. So if you're new at this and you're getting really frustrated with how your paintings are turning out, try this, and it actually kind of boosts your confidence, because believe me, I know what it's like to try and paint something and have all these expectations of how fabulous you think it's going to turn out, and then it turns out really bad. Well, doing this is great for beginners because it's super easy, and it really, really helps boost that confidence that you have in making something nice. Okay, I'm just removing some of this paint because I put way too much on there. But seriously, if you are frustrated, don't throw those paintings that you don't like away, because you really can make them look nice. And and have something to be proud of. Seriously. Because, I mean, I've been doing this for like almost 2-3 years now, and I still get things that turn out so ugly I wouldn't give them to my enemy. You know what I mean? And I just want everyone to know that you can make something pretty very, very easily without a whole lot of effort. I know a lot of people have done balloon smashes to save paintings. I've done it 100 times. But actually just doing a balloon smash as your painting itself, not a whole lot of people do that very often, at least that I've noticed. So I figure instead of trying to balloon smash the painting you have in front of you that you don't like, let it dry and balloon smash over it when it's dry, if that makes any sense. Okay. So I've got this kind of tan and white swirl going on here. And the next thing is to put something down that looks good with this color. Oh, and get rid of your bubbles. Now this brown paint that I have came out of a bottle of craft paint that I had for a long, long time. So I'm looking to see if there's any globs and blobs, which, if I remember correctly, when I mixed it, there were some. Okay. So I have here some burnt sienna, and I'm just gonna do some puddles. Okay, and then I'm gonna sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Just a little bit around on the canvas. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, and then I'm gonna take some, you know what, let me get my other bottle of turquoise. That one's getting kind of low. No, this one's getting kind of low too. Guess I just need to make some more. By the way, if you want to make a really nice turquoise, use phthalo blue and phthalo green and mix them together, and you can make them as blue or as green, not them, it, as blue or as green as you want. I like the blue side of turquoise, so I tend to make mine more on the blue side. But those two colors together make a beautiful turquoise. Okay. Now, I'm gonna go with a little bit of mint green. Now you don't want to put too much paint on here, otherwise you're gonna end up with it running all together. And I found that having my paints a little bit thicker for doing this works best. That way it doesn't run into a puddle after you smash it. All right, now I got some gold. All right, and that's it. I'm not going to do much more than that. Maybe a little bit of white. Just for a little contrast. Okay, and that's it. I sure hope my order of white gets here soon because I'm running low. Alright, let me get that back where you can see it. You make sure that you have a paper towel to wipe off your balloon if you get too much on it. Okay, so now I'm gonna smash these down pretty hard. I mean, I'm really pressing hard and come back up, and there you have it. Okay, now since there isn't a whole lot of paint on here, you can get away with not wiping off your balloon, but if you find that after you smash it, it all comes into a puddle in the middle, then you need to wipe off your balloon. Okay, does that make sense? But otherwise you really don't need to. When you have that white base coat on the bottom, see now that one kind of formed a puddle, so I'm going to wipe this off and go again. There we go. Okay, now we're getting a little puddly there. And if you see that it's kind of maybe getting muddy or something, then yeah, wipe it off. Good music. And that's really all you need to do right there. And you've got yourself a pretty fine looking painting, in my opinion. I mean, it's not bad. It's better than what I had on there prior, right? This little guy right here is I don't like the way that one's all brown. Okay, we got too much paint. And you know, there's really no rhyme or reason to this. You just kind of go for it. And the ones that you touch really lightly really give you some really pretty dainty effects. I've got some white showing through there, so we're going to fix that. Or I should say canvas. Okay. I'm not going to mess with it anymore because you don't want it to get muddy, and you want to be able to hang on to the definitions that the balloon gives you. Okay, and then I don't have any silicone in my paint, just Floetrol, and some of them have a little bit of glue in them just to get them a little bit thicker. Because I really don't know what else to put in it to thicken it up other than glue. Alright, so this one right here I really don't like. So I'm gonna make myself a little mound of turquoise, light green, not a lot, and some gold. Okay, and I'm just gonna smush that because I really want those colors. There we go. Okay, so that's it. I'm not gonna do any more because I know me, and if I do more, I'm just gonna ruin it, and it's gonna end up looking like a muddy mess. So I'm not gonna do any more to it. I'm gonna tap in a little bit of paint right there where it got a little thin. There we go. Okay. And that's it. Just make sure that you have some contrasting colors in there, some lights and some darks, and it's compatible with your background, and you end up with something really pretty, and it only takes you 5 minutes. Well, that took a little bit longer, but I think you get what I'm saying. It doesn't take long. There's no effort to it. You don't have to overthink it, measure it. And it might get you back into the mood of painting if you're discouraged and you're like, I can't do anything. It's just not working. And believe me, I know the feeling. And I just did this on one of my paintings one time that I hated, and I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna have some fun with this. I'm just gonna smash the crap out of it with a balloon and some paint and see what happens. And it came out great, and I'm happy with it. And I now have a canvas that has something nice on it that I don't have to trash because I hated it. I wouldn't layer too many paintings on top of each other though, because then you're going to get too much paint and cracking and stuff like that. But anyway, pretty easy stuff, so give it a try if you're at that stage where you're frustrated and you've got some paintings that you don't like and you want to paint over them. Super easy, super quick, and you get good results. So thanks for watching. I hope this helps anybody that is at that frustrated stage where they're not happy with what they're getting and getting discouraged, because this, I don't know, this will boost your mood to keep painting, I think. I know it has mine. So thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Leave me some comments. Give me some suggestions for colors. I like using different colors other than black and white for backgrounds, because it just gives it a whole different look. So anyway, that's it. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.